friends, my name is Srijesh. Welcome to Let's Talk Business. I'm delighted to share business success stories and thank you for giving me an opportunity to connect with you. Today I'm starting my session with a quote from Jack Ma. Jack Ma says, if you want to grow, find a good opportunity today. If you want to become a great company, think about what social problem you could solve. Yes, on that note, I'm introducing Phanindra Sama, founder and CEO Redbus.in. Once again, welcome to Let's Talk Business. Phanindra Sama was born and brought up near Nizamabad. Like all other parents, Phanindra's parents also wanted him to join in an English medium school. Unfortunately, there was no English medium school near Nizamabad. Hence, his studies moved to Hyderabad. Compared with Hyderabad kids, he was not that much advanced in studies. Later, he experienced his parents were spending so much money for his education. Hence, he started focusing more harder in studies. By the way, he became state rank holder. He had graduated from BITS Pilani in electrical engineering. After that, got a job in Delhi. He was more passionate about chip design. But till 1 year, he didn't able to do any design. During those days, he used to have calls, chats, conversations with his close friends, those who were working in multiple companies in Bangalore. He found that he also wanted to move from Delhi to Bangalore. Once he came to Bangalore, he also got one job in Bangalore. During alternate weekends, they used to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad to their native. In 2005, during a Diwali season, Phanindra wanted to spend his festival in hometown. All of his friends went to their native. Phanindra also wanted to go to his village. He ran around the entire town hunting for a ticket. But they were all sold out before he reached to travel agent. Bangalore traffic is notorious that can grip you at wrong time. That's what exactly happened that day. He realized there were some key issues that needs to be resolved. That's when Phanindra thought of the possibility of solving these issues by putting together all these informations on a single platform. Thereby, customers could access it easily and take a better decision. Yes, that was right. Redbus was founded in 2006, Bangalore. Redbus has revolutionized online bus ticket booking platform by bringing together 21,000 bus operators covering 1 lakh routes across the country. Yes, that's what I'm saying, the success of Redbus. Yes. Redbus has made first year turnover 25 lakhs, second year turnover 50 lakhs, third year turnover 5 cr, and currently 1000 plus crore company. In 2013, Redbus got acquired by IBPO Group. IBP Group is basically a subsidiary of Naspers and Tencent. Naspers is a South African based company. Yes, here I am remembering the quote from Jack Ma. Yes, if you want to become a great company, think about what social problem you could solve. Yes, that's what exactly Redbus done. Redbus headquartered in Bengaluru and runs operations across 6 countries: India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Peru, Singapore, Colombia. Other 2 key people in Redbus are Prakash Sangam, CEO, Anup Menon, CTO. With that, I'm going to wind up today's session. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will meet you soon with another topic. Till then, bye bye, take care. This is Srijesh signing off from Let's Talk Business.